Hi, my name is Nick and this is a video about the cryptocurrency development as well as Firstcoin development. Today is April 22, it's 10:30 p.m. Dutch in the Netherlands, Central European time. And we see Bitcoin being at 8,800, similar position as yesterday. Ethereum up nearly 6%, Ripple up 1.7, EOS up 3.5, Bitcoin Cash up nearly 7, Tron about the same, Litecoin up 0.5, and Game up 10.6%. So the cryptocurrency market is really moving upwards. When we look at Bitcoin and we look at the one-day chart, then we see that today, like I said, it's April 22, Bitcoin has moved up from 8,700 to now 8,800 and has been moving up and down. When we look at the last 7 days, we see a movement upwards from 7,900 up to now 8,900 or 8,800. So there's a really positive movement. If we look at the monthly chart, now we saw this steep upward movement, then that was broken by here the support line was broken because it was going too fast. There was a reaction, people were taking some profits, but then the upward movement was resumed again, and again then you see it was still nearly as steep as the movement, the earlier movement, and then you see some profit taking and a decline to 7,800. But then it resumed its upward movement, and you see a little bit less steep than it was before. Here we see an even stronger movement, a clearer picture of how the downward movement has been broken, and really the downward trend here, the long-term downward trend now clearly has been broken, and there is a start of an upward movement. So it looks very, very positive, and as you know, Bitcoin is the most important and dominating cryptocurrency in this crypto market. Market cap here, Bitcoin 150 billion, and the overall market cap 388 billion. That means that in the last 2 days, actually it happened yesterday, the market cap went up nearly 30 billion in a day from around 3. So Bitcoin being half of the total, and that tells you something about how important Bitcoin is, of course. And that the development of Bitcoin determines the development of the market. Of course, there are other things happening as well. You see, Ethereum is, after its low at $350, is now gradually getting back. And like I said before,
Ethereum is probably the coin with the most potential of all. Because it has a platform that's been used by many other coins and many other businesses to as a platform to develop their own business. And if we look at the percentage of change, then we see nothing really very, very interesting. Or these are all quite small coins. When we take a look at Firstcoin, then the picture is
switch off the web second. Here we see the day chart of Firstcoin, around 7 cents for a start. We're down now at 6 cents, and we see a quite low volume of $39,000, where it used to be around 100,000 or even more, like a week ago, which is a pity, and everybody's waiting for news, I think. Here we see the 7 that we were around 8 cents, which was quite a stable level up and down this 8 cent level. But as with the lack of news from the company, the volume goes down. As soon as the volume goes down, of course there are less buyers, and then gradually these prices gone down to around 6 cents, which is a bit of a pity because it has broken one chart. Then
we see that we were at 50 cents downward to here. 6 cents went up to about 15 cents, and then gradually it lost its volume and it lost also its upward potential, and now we're down to 6 cents. And 6 cents and 5 cents are the lows of this coin, and we're testing up till now 5 cents was its ultimate low, and the coin now, you could say, is testing or anyway staying at that very, very low 6 cent level. As I said, it's waiting for and with this low volume, nothing very much will happen. And you can also say that with the low volume and the price going down, it also is less and less important. If it goes down with a lot of volume, it's much more important. It's a much more important sign than when a movement up or down is happening with a little bit of volume. It just means, in this case, like I said, a lack of news and a lack of buyers, and also a lack of sellers, because everybody is waiting. What should we do? I still think it's a very interesting level to get into this coin. But as you can clearly see, it is a risk. It's a risky business in cryptocurrency. When we look at the year chart, then it's even clearer. We were on the top of nearly $20, here $18, and we are now down at 6 cents. So again, the developments of the company, they are still looking good, but like I said earlier, we need some news from the company as what is happening with this development, especially the partnering up with Forest company. We're waiting for the ICO to finish. That will still take a couple of weeks, and then they will come up with the coin or with the app with which we can then either pay with the Mahala coin from Forest or with Firstcoin. That would be a great thing. And here you see that the higher the volume, the higher the price, and the volume lowering means also a lowering of the price of the coin. So let's just wait and see. And again, maybe it's time to, get into this coin with a little bit of money. You get a lot of coins now for $1. So if you just buy a small package, it might be an interesting thing to do for now. I still am very positive about the development of Firstcoin, but like I said, we're really waiting for news from the company. If you are interested and if you want to do something, if you want to talk about it or want to consider buying a package, please send me a line, and I'm happy to help you. We're working in a team, and although the team is also not very, very active at the moment, because most of the team is also
in the wait and see mode, but we are helping everybody to be in a good position and to make the income that they want. Okay, thank you for now, and I'll hope to see you again in the next video. If you like this video, please comment or give it a like, and that helps me to tell me what else you want to hear from me, and I'm happy to make another video about that. Thank you.